Hi crochet lovers and welcome back to Miguelscrochet. So for today's video, I'll show you guys how to do the magic circle because knowing how to do the magic circle is super important, especially if you're someone who likes to make amigurumis. You may see that many amigurumis start with the magic circle. So it is a really great skill to learn how to do it, and that is the plan for today's video. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here I'm going to show you guys how I like to do my magic circle. So let's start with that. So what I like to do first is I like to wrap the yarn around my fingers, as you guys can see right here. And what I like to do next is I insert the hook right below and try to grab the second loop. Once I grab the second loop, I remove my fingers. Now I pick the yarn and the loop and I stretch it, a little bit so I can have more tension and control of it. And what I like to do next is always chain one, before I start the projects. There you go, guys. This is how I do my magic circle. It's very easy and, I hope you guys can do it too. Alright guys, so another thing about the magic circle is if you really can do it, like it's too difficult, you just can't do it, what you can always do is you can start with a slip knot. So you guys can see right here, and instead of doing the magic circle, what you can do is you do chain two. And let's say if in the pattern it says that you need to make 6 single crochet into the magic ring, just start doing 6 single crochet into the second chain. So that is another alternative if you really can do the magic circle. Alright guys, so I think that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. And with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon guys. Bye!